my favourite place, and the fact that today we get like a VIP experience.
We're doing a job with Bicester, so we get a VIP lounge, which
VIP
is called the apartment,
and apparently you get like free drink, free food, croissants. You get
we have a buggy taking us there.
Oh my god.
We've got a hands-free service. Like we have to vlog this because I would love to know.
Yeah, and also we might buy stuff because we've actually decided on the next gap year location.
We're not going to say, but if you
it's kind of obvious, but like yes, we're shopping for summer things, summery things. So I'm hoping this village pulls through, and it's got all of our favourite shops as well. Because it's not even just like it's got Dior and
I think
it's got Mage, Sandro, oh my god, Uggs. Uggs are gonna be so tempting. I usually wear mine every day.
Guys, we're in a buggy.
And it's so funny.
Look, I don't know why we're in a buggy.
I feel like Sharpay Evans going on the golf.
I've never been in a buggy before, have you?
No, I've always wanted to on holiday, but like
there's never an excuse to get on the buggy until now.
How funny is this?
And it's literally a 10-minute walk, but
we're really finessing.
Oh my god, it's literally there. It's the village.
What?
I can see Bicester Village.
Oh my god, how funny.
I think the VIP lounge, which is called the apartment, is further.
I'm so excited. We're in the Bicester apartment. We just had coffee and pancakes. It's pancake day. Oh my god. Oh, was it, I bet that was a good iced coffee as well.
Was.
And look.
I should have asked her to do it. I'm so happy. I know I'd like to go to Burberry.
Yeah, we've got a private appointment. Material girl. So, we're having lunch. We've been to a couple shops and like, show the things on your phone that we're thinking of buying. So, we're at the Worsley for lunch.
Okay, this is the first thing. Versace heels.
Oh my god, I really want Grace to buy these.
This is actually, do you remember how much they were?
They were 400, which for Versace heels, Grace, you know the new ones that are really trendy, they're probably like 700-800. So
we also love this Versace
we
scarf.
both love the scarf because the next place we're going to is quite summery.
But I really like these shoes and Grace didn't like them.
I'm not keen on them.
From Gucci.
I think if we're going to get them, get the black.
I love
because the black has got the gold and...
I don't know, there's something about them that's just like pulling me towards them.
Is it because they're £100? They're literally, you said they were 180 or something.
But I thought I have to get them. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, if we're going to get them, get the black. Those heels.
But we're just having the best time.
Oh my god, I absolutely love it here. And do you know what? It's not even that busy. So like, I think this is a good time of year to come because I can't wait to eat as well.
We're at Cafe Woodley. I need to get a new camera, guys.
You do?
I do see your comments about how like out of focus our vlog clips are, but it's always this camera.
I don't know why.
Do I buy a new one?
This is newer than mine. But yours is always so musty.
Your one is a different version.
Yeah.
So like, I think it went downhill a bit.
I think so. But anyway, we've got crumbles. You do a taste test.
Okay.
Because it's apple and sultana, and Grace hates sultanas. It might be really hot though, be careful. Nice. Good. Look guys, we're by Saatchi and we're planning where we're going to go next. I'm so excited.
And we're thinking about like our potential purchases.
I'm very
a couple
excited.
Things we're like, do we buy it?
Yeah, we're like debating.
I think that we will leave with
100%. Guys, we're in Fendi. I actually really like these platforms. I think they're really Barbie. No. We're just looking at all the shoes. You know what I've noticed about us today? We've really been drawn to shoes.
I know. I think
like
the bags. We're not too.
No, we're not.
Like, wow.
We're not wow.
Bags. None of the bags.
No, I am wowed over one bag, the Balenciaga.
Oh, you still thinking about that?
I am, but I'm probably not going to get it.
We still been to Prada. That's where I think the bags.
So we're just in UGG.
I'm trying to decide on UGG.
Buying a certain person a present.
Oh. Right, I hate making decisions for other people.
My fave store, Mage. As you guys would have known if you watch our Paris vlogs, we're obsessed with
I love the smell in here.
Mage. Oh my god, whatever scent they use is just incredible, and they do such like nice Parisian things, like all these sort of cardigans and tweed and stuff. Like, we love Mage. Probably one of our dream brands to work with. So Mage, if you're watching, listen, listen up. Oh my god, that cardigan's actually really cute. Imagine that in a light. I like the colour.
Yeah, it's like a kind of orangey pink.
Yeah, it's making a purchase. And we're looking at these scarves. We love them because they're like Donatella. Hey bitch! It's part 2 of the vlog. We was kind of planning on doing this, wasn't we?
Yeah.
Because we need shopping for LA. You'll know we're going to LA by now when this goes up.
I feel like everyone already knows.
Yeah, I feel like you can kind of guess because we always put like a question box, like
I think everyone knows
recommendations. And then we act like a secret, but like I think you all know.
But I think you guys know we're going so soon. We're actually going this week.
No, we're going
Thursday.
Oh,
but
we've basically got 2 days.
yeah, we're going to just do some shopping, see if we find anything. It's fucking freezing.
Because we're like
English weather.
We're like a little bit
not very prepared.
Yeah, we're not very prepared basically. Like, and there's no clothes either, like springy clothes. Should we look in there though?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just been to Brandy and Subdued and we've bought the most chavvy thing ever. Show it. But we're gonna wear this and we're wearing it in a Lana Del Rey Lily Rose Depp way.
We're doing it like because we're cool.
Yeah, we're doing it because we want to be Lana. So yeah.
I think they're gonna be iconic.
We just couldn't not. We're gonna look so British.
I know we are.
Like so tourist. No.
Guys, we want a free drink, but it's not being offered. Kind of awkward, but that's the grey. They don't have it in Grace's size, of course.
It's like so typical.
I know.
These are 37.5.
Yeah.
These are.
I think we should have 37.5 in the grey one, but not in the blue ones.
So we're at our favourite place ever, Tony's. You guys know this is the new Harry's for us.
This is top notch. It's our favourite
This is our favourite place in London. So if you're here, come here. But yeah, we're having burrata. We're not sure what to have for main. So
No, but we did go to Dior, as you guys saw.
oh my god.
We didn't have
They had every other size. Like the woman was even laughing. She was like, we literally have every other size apart from that, like apart from the size you want.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a taxi.
So we're gonna go to Sloane Square. What a trek, but
It's the only one that has Grace's shoes.
it's worth it. Even the airport doesn't have them. Got some yummy gnocchi. We need more burrata.
Yeah, we ate a lot.
We need more like tomato chips. We just got loads of free sweets.
I'm not
Look
sure
at
about
the
that.
tart.
I'm not sure about that though.
What is that? Meringue?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you have the meringue. You love the meringue. Is that a little brownie? Oh my god, how sweet.
Guys, we're at the next Dior.
I think the girl in the other Dior we went to really looked like Olivia Rodrigo.
She was really beautiful.
She really looked like Olivia Rodrigo.
Look at these shoes.
I love them. Matilda Jeff has them.
So Grace had to get them.
I love the
Yeah,
Christian Dior.
Guys, we have free drinks coming as well. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna end this video by showing you guys what we bought. So I bought 2 tops from Subdued, which I've actually never bought anything from before. I got this American flag one, which Grace also got, and then I got this one, which is I Love to Make Boys Cry, and this is literally me in a top, so had to get that. And then you guys really wanted to see the Versace thing I bought from Bicester, which was like the first day of this vlog, and I just unboxed them on TikTok. So here they are. These are literally my dream shoes. I actually can't believe I have them. Like, they actually make me a bit emotional. But look at this detailing with like the lion, and there's one on here as well. I'm just literally obsessed with them. They are so beautiful and they're literally my dream shoe. So that is what I got from Bicester Village. So yeah, that's everything that has been purchased in this whole haul.
I thought I would do a little haul from what I bought yesterday, what I've bought from Bicester Village and yesterday, and unbox my new shoes. Should we do a shoe unboxing first? I think we should. So here is the box. I think you guys know what they are because I'm pretty sure we vlogged them, but I thought I would open up the box anyway. I just wanted to say as well, I love the bag they've given me. It's got all hearts over it in like the print of the Lady Dior bag. It's got this like star ornament that's going on my Christmas tree. I think it's a Valentine's Day bag. It's got all like hearts printed into it. It's so lovely. We have the trainers. Aren't they just beautiful? Like, and they would go perfect with this cardigan as well. I do actually wear a lot of navy, but the lady was saying the navy like goes really well with black as well. Like, you don't have to just wear it with navy things, or you know, you can style it with so many different things, which I love. And I just love this print, to be honest. This print is just my favourite. So yeah, I love these trainers and I cannot wait to wear them. I love the smell of new shoes. I'm scared to wear them because they're just so like fresh and I don't want to like ruin them. They come with navy laces as well, but I think I probably will stick to the cream ones, or maybe not, maybe I would use the navy ones. But yeah, I really love them. The lady was so lovely in there as well. We had to go to Sloane Street, as you would know by the vlog, because they didn't have my train. This was like the last size in London, the last available pair in London, so I'm glad I got those. Thought I would show you what I bought in Brandy as well. I just feel like Brandy really suits the like LA girl vibe. But this top, me and Grace got matching ones of from Subdued. It's so like typical, but it's so tourist, but I'm here for it, and it's gonna look so cute with a pair of denim shorts or like just some jeans. Like I'm actually just obsessed. It's so funny. Brandy, I got this white dress. It's like a polo dress, and it's almost like a tennis polo dress, and I thought it was so cute. It gave me like Ralph Lauren vibes. Then got this little top, which I really like because I think with a pair of denim shorts it's gonna look so cute and just simple. Denim shorts and it would look really nice with the Dior trainers actually. Like, I really like chic, but you know, like sometimes less is more, like simple yet effective kind of look. So yeah, I really like this, and it kind of ties up with the waist as well. I got this navy cardigan to tie around the neck of the polo dress. So yeah, I really like this. And if it gets chilly, this could be a good option as well. Again, navy, it's going to go with the trainers. So that was everything that I got. I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye. Mwah.